Welcome to my driveway, my dudes.
Today I'm going to show you where to find your OBD2 on a Toyota Corolla Fielder Hybrid. OBD stands for Onboard Diagnostics, and apologies for the wind. And if you were looking for yours in the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, this is the Fielder. It's below the steering wheel, and you'll see here it's not covered. It's just right here. So this is where you would plug in your diagnostic tool. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below for some that I've found online. Stay tuned for a quick bonus. I'm gonna show you something now related to one of my previous videos. In my previous video related to jump starting the Toyota Corolla Fielder Hybrid car, I mentioned that I was getting a new jump box, and this is my new jump box. It has arrived. It's the one that I recommended, and to me it seems fairly decent. One of my favorite features though is this, the inverter. It has 4 LED lights, 900 amp, so it's fully charged at the moment. So we have got our 12 volt DC sockets. I don't need to jump the car today, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test out the tire, the inflator, the air pump, and see how she works. Also USB and the 3-pin plug. Okay, I've not used it before, but I expect it's going to be a bit noisy. Nice soft flexible hose. Let's have a look. I don't know if that's working. Let's try it. It's going to get a bit noisy. Let's have a look. Okay, so it just says it's just reached 30 now, but I'm going to just double check that. Double check that. It's very wet. Why is that so wet? So it's a bit slow. Okay, well that's reading 30, and this is showing me it's close to 40. Which will I believe? 35. Yeah, so the gauge might not be 100% on. The gauge might not be 100%, but it's not as noisy as my other air compressor. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and it supports our channel. Also, hit that like button. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks very much. Have a great day.